Hello, good morning. Welcome to .programming.blogspot.com. This is my blog. Today I will show you how to use a pager template in grid view because a grid view provides facility of the paging. Um, I will teach you how to use pager template in grid view. This is the connection string and bind the grid view with the SQL data source control. It's too much simple to binding the grid view. This facility provided by the ASP.NET Visual Studio. Yeah, the grid view binds successfully with the two columns ID and name. Enable paging is here 1 and 2, the default style of the grid view paging. Now after that I want to use the pager template in a grid view. So here we use the pager template. In the pager templates I will use the table because I want to show the previous and the next button. So first of all, in a single row here I will take two cells in a single row. The first cell contain the previous and the next button, so use the link button for this. ID of the link button is L1. Remove this. Now also use the text property of the link button is the previous symbol, or you can add the text as well, previous. Okay, that's fine. Now must to use the command name, that is previous, PREV, previous. Okay, oops, sorry, the command name is page and the command argument is preview. So PREV, prev, is a fix. Both properties are the fix for the pager template, that is command name and the command argument. Now for the next button is also used the same link button. That's fine. Now change the ID property L2 and the command name is the same but the command argument is previous. So also change the text property of the grid view, link button. The command argument is next, that is the fix in ASP.NET. The second cell contains the total number of pages traversed as well as what page shown by the grid view. Okay, the page of contain the label L3. Yeah, that's the page of and the total number of the page. I will show you page number and the total number of pages. Also I will show you in the label, so copy and paste it here. The L4 is the ID property. Now in the code behind file you can use the pager templates where. So after that define the pager settings. Mode is next, previous, and the position is bottom as well as top and bottom. So I have used the bottom, the position is bottom. Yeah, that's fine. Next, previous, page number and the total pages. Now save this and in the code behind file, first to get the on row data bound event, or you can say page index changing event, set the page size is 3. That's fine. Now in the code behind file use row data bound event, also use row created and also use data bound event. So here we use data bound event. Oops. Here we have a grid view row, pager templates. I want to find the pager templates from the grid view row. So pager row grid view 1 dot bottom page row, that's the last row, that is bottom pager row. Now get the label from the grid view, or you can say the pager templates. So label page number is explicitly convert that's object type to label. Pager row dot cells of 0 dot find control, and the name of the control, that is the label, the total number of pages and the page number also. So the page number and the total number of pages. So total page number, the L3 and L4, I think L3 and L4. Page number is represent to L3 and the total number of pages represent to L4. Okay, capital L3 and capital L4. Yeah, that's fine. Now after check, the page number is not equals to null, and total number of pages is also not null. If both are not null, that means contain some value, then move to the next pages by using the grid view 1 dot page count as well as page index. That's mean of when we click on the second, or you can say the next button, the index will increase by the 1, and the total number of pages also count by using the grid view dot page count property. So page number is represented by the page n dot toString, and the total page number is represent the dot toString. So thank you very much for watching this video tutorial. Please keep watching my all other video tutorials which is related to ASP.NET, and learn many more things about the ASP.NET. Okay. If you want to learn tutorials, then please follow my websites .programming.com, .dot .programming, PROGRAM single M here, MING.com. Okay, thank you very much. See this output and learn many more things about the pager templates and the grid view control. Thank you very much.